No ocean in the winter snow, but I've got a place to go. Let's make waves. First apply the base smooth and clean, the perfect canvas for the scene. Now paint the silver cat eye gel, let it shimmer, cast a spell. Grab the magnet bar, hold it steady, pull the wide beam, get it ready. Switch the tool to the tiny bead, round and round planting the seed, pushing the particles left and right, creating ripples, catching light. The water texture starts to flow, soft and gentle, nice and slow. Semi-sheer blue, tap it on the top, fade it backward, do not stop. Drag the color, make it blend from the tip to the other end. A deep blue gradient, rich and true, like the ocean view, specifically for you. Cure it now, seal the shine, the base is looking mighty fine. Time for the magic, spread the solid white, dab it unevenly, messy and light. Don't be perfect, let it flow. Now take the wood stick nice and slow, poke the gel, break the surface tension, the dots open up a new dimension. See the bubbles naturally expand like sea foam washing on the sand. Adjust the edges, push them up and down, the crashing wave is what we found. Protect the art, seal the tide, the ocean is now trapped inside. Watch the colors play, summer is here to stay. Fill the mold with clear gel, no doubt. Cure under the lamp, then pop them out. Starfish and palms looking fresh and new. Stick them on the nail, use the glue. Paint them freely, pick your hue. Pink or yellow, it's up to you. Make sure they are fixed, safe and sound. Top coat everything all around. Look